Ready to witness the AI showdown of the century? Today, we're comparing the new Claude 3.5 from Anthropic to OpenAI's GPT-40. Which one comes out on top? Let's dive in and find out. We're looking at how Claude 3.5 stacks up against GPT-40 across various benchmarks. From coding prowess to humor comprehension, these two AI giants are battling it out for supremacy. But who's the real winner? Let's break it down. Let's kick things off with number 5. Number 5. Coding capabilities. When it comes to coding, both Claude 3.5 and GPT-40 are powerhouses. However, Claude 3.5 has shown to be more efficient in handling complex coding tasks. Imagine Iron Man's Jarvis versus a supercharged computer assistant. Claude 3.5 consistently completes coding challenges faster and with cleaner code. In a recent coding competition, Claude 3.5 completed challenges 30% faster than GPT-40, handling more complex algorithms and delivering cleaner, more efficient code. This makes it an invaluable tool for developers looking to streamline their workflow and innovate faster. But here's where it gets even more impressive. Claude 3.5 can understand and generate code in multiple programming languages with ease. This flexibility allows developers to switch between languages without missing a beat, enhancing productivity and reducing errors. For example, it can seamlessly transition from Python to JavaScript to C++, making it a versatile assistant for any development team. Moreover, Claude 3.5's ability to debug code is exceptional. It not only identifies errors, but also suggests optimal solutions, significantly cutting down on debugging time. In contrast, GPT-40, while competent, often requires more guidance and additional inputs to achieve the same level of efficiency.
So, what do you think? Does Claude 3.5 take the crown in coding? Let us know in the comments.
Number 4. Humor comprehension. Ever tried to make a machine laugh? With both Claude 3.5 and GPT-40, you might get a chuckle, but Claude 3.5 has a unique edge in understanding and generating humor. Think of it as having a conversation with Tony Stark, complete with witty comebacks and playful banter. In a series of humor comprehension tests, Claude 3.5 consistently outperformed GPT-40, understanding nuances, puns, and cultural references with remarkable accuracy. This capability not only makes it great for casual conversation, but also for generating engaging content. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Claude 3.5 can tailor its humor to different audiences, adapting its jokes based on the user's preferences and cultural background. This personalized touch is something GPT-40 has struggled to achieve. For instance, if you're a fan of The Office, Claude 3.5 might throw in a Michael Scott reference, while with Friends fans, it could drop a classic Chandler Bing line. Additionally, Claude 3.5's understanding of context allows it to generate humor that is relevant and timely. In contrast, GPT-40, while capable of understanding humor, often misses the mark on context and timing, making Claude 3.5 the preferred choice for content creators and social media managers. So, what do you think? Can Claude 3.5 bring a smile to your face better than GPT-40? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 3. Chart interpretation. When it comes to interpreting complex charts and data, Claude 3.5 leaves GPT-40 in the dust. Imagine having an AI with the analytical skills of Dr. Strange, able to sift through vast amounts of data and present insights clearly and accurately. In benchmark tests involving financial and scientific data, Claude 3.5 demonstrated superior ability to interpret and explain charts, making it an invaluable tool for analysts and researchers. Its precision in identifying trends and anomalies is unmatched, but here's where it gets even more critical. Claude 3.5 can also generate detailed reports based on its analysis, providing clear and actionable insights that help businesses and researchers make informed decisions faster. For example, it can analyze stock market trends, detect potential investment opportunities, and generate comprehensive financial reports within minutes. Moreover, Claude 3.5 excels in visualizing data. It can create intuitive and easy to understand visualizations that help stakeholders grasp complex information quickly. In contrast, GPT-40, while competent, often produces less intuitive visualizations, making Claude 3.5 a preferred choice for data-driven industries. So, what do you think? Is Claude 3.5 the ultimate AI for data interpretation? Let us know in the comments. Number 2. User-friendly features and pricing. One of the most impressive aspects of Claude 3.5 is its competitive pricing and user-friendly design. Unlike GPT-40, which can be cost-prohibitive for many users, Claude 3.5 offers high performance at a more accessible price point. It's like getting a Lamborghini at the price of a Tesla. Claude 3.5's interface is also designed with the user in mind, making it easier for individuals and businesses to integrate and utilize its capabilities. Its intuitive design and comprehensive support resources ensure a smooth user experience. But here's where it gets even more attractive. Claude 3.5's flexible pricing plans cater to different needs, from individual users to large enterprises, making advanced AI accessible to a wider audience. This democratization of AI technology ensures that more people can leverage its powerful capabilities without breaking the bank. For instance, small startups can utilize Claude 3.5 for market analysis and customer insights, while large corporations can integrate it into their existing systems for enhanced automation and productivity. In contrast, GPT-40's higher cost can be a barrier for smaller organizations, limiting its accessibility. Furthermore, Claude 3.5 offers robust customer support and training resources, ensuring users can maximize its potential. From detailed tutorials to responsive customer service, Claude 3.5 is designed to help users at every step. So, what do you think? Is Claude 3.5 the most user-friendly and cost-effective AI on the market? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 1. Benchmark performance. At the top of our list is Claude 3.5's overall benchmark performance. In every major test, Claude 3.5 has outperformed GPT-40, setting new standards for speed, accuracy, and versatility. It's like watching the Hulk outmatch Captain America in sheer strength and capability. In a comprehensive evaluation involving language comprehension, problem solving, and creative tasks, Claude 3.5 consistently scored higher than GPT-40, proving its dominance in the AI landscape. Its ability to handle a wide range of tasks with superior efficiency makes it the go-to choice for many applications. But here's where it gets even more impactful. Claude 3.5's performance isn't just about speed, it's also about quality. Its outputs are more coherent, contextually accurate, and creatively diverse, providing users with reliable and innovative solutions. For example, in creative writing tasks, Claude 3.5 produces narratives that are richer in detail and more engaging, while GPT-40 often delivers more generic outputs. Additionally, Claude 3.5's advancements in natural language processing enable it to understand and generate human-like text with greater fluency. This makes it ideal for customer service applications, content creation, and even virtual assistants. In contrast, GPT-40, while powerful, often requires more refinement to achieve the same level of quality. Furthermore, Claude 3.5's ability to learn and adapt to new information quickly ensures it remains at the cutting edge of AI technology. Regular updates and improvements keep it ahead of the curve, consistently outperforming competitors. So what do you think? Has Claude 3.5 dethroned GPT-40 as the ultimate AI? Let us know in the comments. And that's a wrap for how Claude 3.5 compares to GPT-40. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button. Want more cutting-edge tech content? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch the pulse of the AI revolution. Until next time, stay tuned and stay amazed.